CaityB here, and I'm gonna be doing a little mukbang. I'm gonna be eating buffalo wings, watermelon, and some sauce here. So the buffalo wings were from Costco's, and it came in like a pack of, I don't know, it just had a lot of chicken. It's like a big tray. So this is the tray, and it just came with the sauce and a whole lot of chicken and the watermelon. I thought I'll just add, you know, yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for getting me to 200 subscribers. It went up pretty quick, that's all I can say. I didn't expect it to go up that quick, but thank you guys for sharing, liking, supporting me. And yeah, let's get into this mukbang. Oh, I already had like a half-eaten chicken here. I just wanted to try it, but chicken's gone a bit cold, but oh well. By the way, this is my first time trying buffalo wings. I thought it was really hot. It's not that bad. I didn't eat my chicken like to the bones. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try the sauce now. I didn't get to see what sauce it was. It was just a lot of reading and I was like, I'll stuff it. It looks like tartare sauce though. I don't usually like tartare, but it actually tastes good with the buffalo wings. Comment below how you guys eat your chicken. Oh. I didn't eat my chicken properly, by the way. This tastes so good. I'm so glad it's not spicy as. So yesterday, me and the fam went to Costco's. There's a new Costco's that opened up in Epping. If you guys are from Victoria, you guys would know that there was a new Costco opening up in Epping. So we just went and checked it out. We wanted to try some. We wanted to eat some hot dogs since it's like what, $1.69 or something. And plus you get refillable drinks, so it's worth it, I guess. So yeah, we went there, did a bit of shopping. We saw this tray of buffalo wings, and I was like, Mom, you know, I tried to get my way, and I was like, Mom, can we, you know, just get this thing? Yeah, so we ended up getting this, a couple of other things, but yeah, this really, I really wanted to try this for the mukbang. We're just gonna get hot dogs, the hot dogs from there for the mukbangs, but I really wanted to eat the hot dogs at Costco's. So we ate hot dogs at Costco's, had our drinks and stuff, and then yeah, we're planning to have this for the mukbang. So yeah. Sorry about my alarm in the back. I noticed that when I edit my videos, the alarm in the back always cuts off some of the words that I'm saying. But you know, safety first. But yeah guys, go check out Costco's, check out their goods. Oh my gosh, the amount of samples that we ate yesterday. People were looking at us like we're savages, eh? We're just like, oh, I've never seen that much samples at Costco's, like, ever. Try the, I think it was Japanese style chicken samples. That tasted bomb. There was pork belly, I think beef. Yum. There was quiches, which my mum loved. We got some of those. You know these crackers and avocado. I don't really like the crackers, but my mum got the crackers. It's like toasted bread. Those mini ones, or bagels, crackers. Yeah. Usually when we go there we get butter chicken. Oh, we've only been there like what, 3 times, but we've been to the Docklands one, the one in the city. It's just too far sometimes. Yeah, it's just too far. Usually on the drive there we've fallen asleep. On the drive back we've fallen asleep and we just feel sorry for the driver, and that usually ends up being my mum. So thank the Lord. No, lucky I can't drive because I'll be driving everywhere. So guys, talking about driving, yeah, I know I'm 19, leave me alone. Y'all have been begging me at work, friends from school, we get it, you guys all have your learners now in your P's. I must be like the only one out there that hasn't even done my learners. So yeah, I should be doing my theory soon for my learners, okay? Yeah, don't beg me in the comments. Yeah, so I should be doing my learners soon. I'm just studying, almost done reading the book. Yeah, and there should be a video coming out of my driving test thing, I guess, out soon. I won't do my learner's test one because I might get the answers wrong and you guys will like mock me forever and I'll never live it down. Yeah. So that should be coming out soon. How exciting. We might crash during the video, but oh well. I went out with a bang. I'm trying to think. Is there a Costco in New Zealand?
No, it's American. All here.
Now imagine if Costco's was in New Zealand, guys. Oh man. The islanders crashing into each other for samples.
They have, what do you call the place?
Costco.
James Gilmore. And yeah, they have James Gilmore in another place.
Oh, yeah, I heard of it.
Some
like Costco's.
Going towards the cemetery.
Get some watermelon. I saw that I had watermelon in my fridge, and I know that African Americans and all that love their chicken and watermelon, so why not? Be good if I had waffles. I've always been wanting to try waffles and chicken. I don't know, it seems like a big thing. Try watermelon with tartar. Ew. Tartar sauce is good with fish and chips though. That's all I'm gonna say. I rest my case. Like, yeah, I didn't get the whole tray. Like eat the whole tray. Bro. I know I won't be able to finish it. I think the lot that I got is just enough. Me and Mum just started watching this Netflix series called Northern Rescue. We started watching it Friday night. My mum was watching the series first. I wasn't even planning on. I'm not good at when it comes to series and stuff because I get bored easily. But this one, I don't know. It's just, it feels so realistic. Like, oh, obviously there's a lot of movies that are like realistic, but I don't know. It just hits the fatu, man, the soul. So yeah, my mum started watching and I was just like, you know, playing around with my hair, trying to learn a dance move or whatever. And I started like, I just stood there with my hair out and I started watching it. And I started bawling my eyes out like 2 seconds after I started watching it. I don't know, I'm such an emotional person that I just cry at every single thing, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're watching some, well, today's Sunday, so we're watching some Friday night, Saturday midday, Saturday night. So we started last night at maybe like 9 or 8 and we finished watching at 1. An episode is like almost an hour long, but it feels really fast because that's just how good it is. Depending on the person you are, I like shows like that, so go check it out on Netflix if you have Netflix. So yeah, it's just a really good show. We watched some last night till 1 o'clock. It's just crazy, man. And this morning, so this morning I wake up to my mom. Obviously crazy hours of the morning. She wakes up at like 3. My mom is just that type of person. If she sleeps early, she'll have like a good 8 hours sleep, 7-6 hours, and then she's good for the whole day. So if she slept at 8 last night, she'll probably be up at 1 in the morning making a ruckus in the background while we're trying to sleep.
Breakfast.
Yeah. And she's only making herself breakfast and all you hear is boom, boom, boom. And it's like, oh, okay, she's up again. Like, I feel sorry for my neighbors sometimes. You know what I'm saying?
Oof, I didn't even do that.
Yeah. But yeah, I wake up to my mom watching this show called Turn It Up.
Turn Up.
Turn Up Charlie. It's got Idris Elba. He's so good. The new James Bond. I root for that. Yeah, so we just started watching that. It's not too bad. The girl's a little brat, but she gets better. All I can say is my mom always picks like the best shows.
I think I will watch Umbrella Academy.
Oh, you know, I thought Umbrella Academy was a dance movie.
I hate this.
That's why I never watched it, and then people are like, it's a superhero movie. Oh my god. And I was like, oh, it must be a superhero dance movie or something like that.
Like Black Lightning.
Yeah, so apparently it's like Black Lightning. Better or?
Better?
Yeah, I reckon Black Lightning, I can't really stand it because the acting skills are just crap, man. I'm telling you.
Like, I'm not even watching the rest of it. I can't be fucked.
It's like, it's not as cringe as Superman. Like, you know how he just wears glasses and then takes it off and he doesn't look any different. But Black Lightning, I mean, come on, man. Look at how, you can't be, it's just too up. I just can't stand it. All of their acting skills just suck, man. Like, if you watch it, you know what I mean. But I'm sure all of you guys that love Black Lightning will come at me. But, I can't stand it, man. Black Lightning's back. I just watch it because, you know, my whole family watches, you know, series that they like.
So Umbrella Academy.
Yeah. Umbrella Academy, I guess you guys can watch it. I watch bits and pieces. I'm not, as I said, I'm not really into, I'm not good at keeping track with series and stuff. Oh, but what I do love watching, and the 3rd season's coming out in April, I can't wait, is Handmaid's Tale. It's on SBS On Demand. From what I know, I don't think season 1's on there. They take seasons off like after a while. And I don't know if season 2's on there, but I know it's a, it starts with H. Hulu. It's a Hulu original thing, so it's really good. I'm not good at explaining what it's about, but just go check it out. All these movies coming out, man, it's just crazy. Yeah. So Game of Thrones, I heard it's the last season. I haven't watched Game of Thrones. So maybe like what, the one episode that I saw was just like intense as, so I was just like, nah. I'm just like, oh, this is what you guys like watching. Yeah, my uncle's a big fan of it. I know a lot of my friends are big fans of it. The only thing I know, the only person I know from it is Jon Snow. Apparently he died and all of a sudden he came back to life. This was in like, what, year 10 or something, I think. Oh, my friends were like, oh my gosh, Jon Snow died. And then the next week they're like, oh my gosh, he's alive. And I was just like, what? I never watched it though. I'll tell you guys the Korean shows that I watched. My first ever Korean show that I watched, my sauce is running out. I'm sure this is everyone's first. My first was Boys Over Flowers. I can't remember who told me to watch that. This was ages ago. And I only finished watching it like last year because it was on Netflix. My second was Weightlifting Fairies, and I thought nothing could top that. And then someone told me to watch Legend of the Blue Sea. Alex, one of my good friends, Alex. She told me to watch Legend of the Blue Sea, and I thought nothing could top that. And then, what's the other one? Legend of the Blue Sea. Oh, The Goblin. The Goblin? The Goblin or something. Oh. That broke my heart into a million pieces, bro. I think that's what started stopping me from watching more, like at the time. Then I saw Netflix. I'm sure I watched more, but I just can't remember them. I started watching more when I saw that there was some on Netflix. There's one called Stranger on Netflix. It's not too bad. Oh, it's Strong Girl, Kim Bong-soo or something. Got one more chicken left, guys. Sauce is done with. I'm really trying to scrape the sauce off the sides. So guys, I finally just finished this little mukbang. So I just want to thank you guys again for sharing my videos, liking, commenting, telling all your friends about it. and getting my subscribers up to 200 plus. Yeah, so welcome my new subscribers, and yeah, I hope you guys just enjoy my videos and my channel. I welcome you guys with open arms, and for those of my old viewers and subscribers, thank you guys for keeping loyal to me. Thank you for being a loyal one. And to all those that have been commenting since day one, liking since day one, I also want to thank you guys a lot. Yeah, pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you guys were jealous about what I was eating, but mainly a thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget to try these buffalo wings, they're so good. Try with tartar sauce. I'm not a fan of tartar sauce, but this really tasted good with tartar sauce. Watermelon, amazing, refreshing, good combo. And yeah, any pranks, any video suggestions, please message me through my Life Wyf CaityB account or in the comments down below, and I'll try and definitely get to them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.